Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Today I'm going to share with you all 3 types of vegetables you should not buy in the grocery store. Now let us see what these vegetables are. 1. Vegetables with depth. When you go to the supermarket to buy vegetables, you will often see vegetables bundled with this type of depth. In order to save costs, some supermarkets use depths that are not food grade. Many of them use industrial grade depths. This depth will leave some harmful substances on the vegetables. The migration of formaldehyde from the depth to vegetables through their contact surface is hazardous to human health, since consumption of formaldehyde-contaminated vegetables over an extended period of time may result in cancer. 2. Green tomatoes. Try not to buy green tomatoes because unripe tomatoes contain a substance called tomatine in addition to solanine. Both tomatine and solanine are toxic, so you should not consume them. Solanine and tomatine poisoning can cause symptoms like fever, abdominal pain, diarrhea, vomiting, drowsiness, gastrointestinal distress, and lethargy. 3. Sprouted potatoes. You should never buy sprouted potatoes too. Sprouted potatoes contain higher levels of glycoalkaloids, which can be toxic to humans when eaten in excess. Health problems linked to eating sprouted potatoes range from stomach upset to heart and nervous system problems, and in severe cases, even death. Cut away any parts that show damage like cuts and bruises, rotting, green coloring, and sprouting before cooking. In severe cases, it is best to discard the entire potato. Do not eat potatoes that taste bitter or cause a burning sensation in the mouth too. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.